Hello guys, welcome back to the Bookla channel. Today I will teach you how to install and set up the gift card plugin. You might already have a lot of happy customers that are using your services. Why not let them promote your business while you increase your revenue by giving away your services in a way of a present? If you're ready to install gift cards in your website, let's begin. Here on the Bookla platform, I already have one service called CrossFit Session, and I have one resource called Gym. This is the basics so we can enable our booking component and we can test this gift card plugin. Okay, to enable the gift card plugin, you need to click under Plugins and then Add Plugins. Here on the plugin menu, you need to look for the one you're looking for. This case will be gift cards. We click on Add and then we confirm one more time. Once that you confirm the second time, you will see it here on the left menu. We click on it and then we click on New Gift Card. The first thing we need to do here is to allocate a name to this gift card. In this case will be Fitness Gift Card. Great. Once we give it a name, we need to give it a value. So this will be the price of the gift card and it will also be the amount of money or the full value of this gift card when booking or purchasing any services in your web. So let's give this one a value of $150. After we give it a value, you can choose the currency. It doesn't have to be $150. It can be 150 Japanese yen, but let's keep it at dollars for the example today. Now, the validity or duration of this gift card, we can allocate it also. By default is 365 days, meaning that after you purchase this gift card, you can only use it for 1 year. But you can set it to 10 days if you liked, or 1 month. Let's leave it at 365 for this example. The next thing you will see here on the menu is active, so you can activate it or deactivate it as you like. When it's non-active, you will not be able to purchase this gift card. When you activate it, then people will be able to purchase this gift card. Then we have the expiration date. This is not the expiration date of the gift card itself. Remember, we already chose that in the previous step, in the duration. Now, this means that after this date, people will not be able to buy this gift card. Let's say that you only want to have it active during December or during summer, then you could set the expiration date to whenever it's no longer needed. If you don't select any, then the gift card will be able to be purchased as long as you have it there active. And then we have the tax settings. You can allocate a tax amount when people is purchasing this gift card. So I recommend you matching these tax settings to the ones of your services, not to have any issues down the road. But if you don't add any values right here because you just want to test, don't worry, you can edit those after you create the gift card. So with all these things in place, let's go ahead and create the gift card. Once you hit create, you will see this successfully created gift card, and now you have it here on your gift card dashboard per se. But what happens if after you create the gift cards, you want to edit something or you want to change any of the values? It's perfectly fine. By clicking on any of the values, you can edit that value very easy. So let's say that instead of 150, it will be $200. So you update and it will update automatically. The duration of the gift card, you can also change that from 300 to 30 days. Besides the settings of the gift card itself, you can also add a design. So let's do that right now. By clicking on Add Design, you will be redirected to this page where you can upload the design of your gift card. To upload the design, we just need to click here on Upload and choose our design. Then you can zoom out to better see what you're working with right now. So right now it looks amazing. This is very similar to the branding of the page that we're using today as an example, and then you will see when everything is complete how it looks. Before we can just add this design there's two things that we need to do. We need to add fields. We need to add a code field, which is very important. I'm going to place here. This is what I had these field holders. And then we need to add the expiration date field. Also very important, and I have it here. Don't worry if you don't feel like it looks like it should, because we're gonna style this right now. To make easier our styling, we can enable these show mock values over here. And then now we have an idea of how it will look whenever the customer receives this. So I'm going to start with the code, making it much bigger. I think this is big enough. After all, this code is what is going to be needed whenever this person is using the gift card. It better be very visible, right? And then with the expiration date, we can do the same. Great. We can also change the colors if we like. Maybe yellow, it will look good. Let's see. I don't think so, but we can try. Not really. Let's leave it black. Another thing you can change is the font of the gift card. Once that we are done styling our gift card with these two fields, we're gonna go ahead and click on Save Template. And the template is saved. There is one more step before we can enable these gift card purchases in the web or in your app. We need to allow people to receive the gift card on their emails, and for that we need email notifications. We're gonna add this plugin if you don't have it enabled yet. Same way as we did with the other one. And we're gonna create an email for gift card purchase. Here we have different templates for merchant, for client, and for reminders. Right now, we're only concerned with the clients because we want to send this gift card whenever somebody purchases the gift card. So we're gonna create client template, and we're gonna choose the booking type gift card purchase. Very important. So every time somebody purchases a gift card, they're gonna receive it on the email. Now we have a subject line to the email that we can change and we can customize. By the way, these bracket words are variables. They will be replaced with real values whenever we're sending this email. So for now, it says, your gift card for the amount of the gift card has been purchased. I will leave it like that for now. On the body of the email, I will make a few changes to make it more personal or more oriented towards the feeling I want to convey with my brand. So, dear name of the client, your gift card for the amount has been purchased successfully. I'm gonna make a few changes for you to see how it works. Find below the details of your gift card. And then we have gift card and the name of the gift card. Then we have period. We have code, very important. And then we have the purchase ID in case it's gonna be needed for anything. I'm gonna add something else. I'm gonna add I hope you or whoever will use this gift card will really change their life with our fitness program. Kind regards, and then we can add the name of the company using a variable. I'm gonna show you how to get all the variables that you can use in this email very quickly. We're gonna go into docs.bookla.com. As I like to call them, the cheat codes. Very easy to find information here. So we're gonna go to plugins, email notifications, notification creation, and then there it is, all the variables that you can use. In this case, I'm looking for the one that will provide the name of the company. Our company is called VR Experience, by the way. So I'm just gonna add this variable right here. So enough about the notifications. Let's create the template and go ahead and test it. Before we test it, I'm gonna teach you how to integrate this component in your web. Today, I'm using Framer as my web builder, but if you were using any other, there's multiple ways that you can integrate our components into any web. So if you're using Framer like I am, the way in which you can integrate it is the following. You're gonna go into plugins and then browse all. If you didn't have it here like I do, you will click on browse plugins and then type Bookla right there. The first one that pops on the left, it's that one. So we're gonna click on open plugins and then choose the project that we're working on. And then automatically it will appear right there. Very important that you choose the right type of component. We're gonna choose gift cards because we're working with gift cards. And that's it. Now you can just drag and drop, leave it in there, and now we need to connect it to our company so it can know to which company or to which gift card does this component belongs to, because you can have more than one gift cards and more than one company or more than one web. To do that, we're gonna select our component and scroll all the way down to where it says Bookla right here. And then we need to choose the region. Today I'm working from Europe. And then we need to include the API key. I'm gonna show you how to get the API key very quickly. We're gonna go into Bookla, and then we're gonna click on developers, and we're gonna create an API key. First, we need to give it a name. And then we need to select what type of access does this API key has. I always recommend just to give client access. That way, only the permissions that are essential for customers are enabled. The rest of the permissions is for us, for merchants. Otherwise, customers can modify your plugin. So we have the API right now. We're gonna create it. And very important that you copy this and put it in a secure place because it will be only displayed once. So I'm gonna do that right now. And put this API key right there. We also will need the company ID, so since we're here, let's grab it already. You click the company ID from here on the top, and we put it in our notes. Let's separate them so we don't confuse them. This is company ID. And we also need our gift card ID, because like I said, we can have more than one gift card. So this will be gift card. Great, we have everything we need to integrate this into the web. The API key. Make sure you don't have any empty spaces or additional letters, because 99% of the times that I make a mistake is because of the API key or company ID has an extra space. Now, company ID. And then we need to give it the gift card ID. There it is, our gift card for $200. So to test it, I have prepared a website that you can see it fully working with our booking component and already styled to match the branding of the web. Let's go there right now. So on this website here, I have added to purchase a gift card, and as you can see, it's a very bold and strong branding. So I did my best to match the style to the web. And then we also have our booking component here that we're gonna use to test. So let's publish this site and go there. The first thing we need to do is to purchase our gift card. And we're gonna purchase $200 worth of fitness. And we need to pay. Success, we should have it. So now let's check our email to see what's going on there. Aha, I already see one there. So, dear Felix, instead of the variable, so perfectly working. And more importantly, we have our gift card right here. We have our expiration date, and we have the code. That is the one that is gonna give us the discount. As you can see, the expiration date is 30 days from today because it's what we set. Let's go and test this by buying a service right now. So let's book a session right here for tomorrow at 10 a.m. See, the price of this session is $80, and we're gonna apply our €200 gift card. To do that, we need the code. So it goes from 80 to 0, and then we're gonna continue this purchase because I want to show you what happens at the end. So we purchase one time. If you're not good in math, I'm gonna keep the count. Now we should have 120 left. I'm gonna book another session using the same code. Then I'm gonna buy it again. Again, 2 times 80 should be 160. It's not enough to book a third lesson. So this friend only gave us 2.5 lessons. What happens when we try to use the gift card one more time? So let's refresh our page and book one more session. When we add the code, pay attention to this $80 right here. When we add the code, it will take whatever is remaining and then just apply it as a discount. And this time we need to pay the remaining balance of $40. So let's see if that is true. Let's make a purchase. There it is. As you can see, we need to pay $40 additional. So now that you know how to add gift cards to your website, let me show you how to add multiple gift cards. To do that, we're gonna go to the Bookla platform, and then here under gift cards, we're gonna create a gift card, another one. So let's call this one $50, just so we can identify them quickly. Then it will last 1 full year. It will not have any expire date, and then the tax settings, we're just gonna match our service, which is 10% inclusive. Now we have a second gift card here. So very important that to add another one, first we need to copy this ID. It's the first thing we need to do. Then we're going to go to the Framer editor and we're gonna find our gift card right here. So how do we turn this from a preset one gift card into multiple ones? Very easy. Here under the gift card ID, the first thing we will do is remove the existing gift card ID. So now we are telling the component, do not focus on this ID. And here under gift cards on plural, we're gonna click on object and we're gonna click here where it says 0 items. And then we're going to click on add. Now we're adding another item to this gift card selector. And then you see now that our gift card component became a little wider. So he can hold the gift card name whenever chosen on the checkout step. We're going to add this new ID that we got here and we're gonna call it $50 gift card. And then we can add a subtitle. Allow your friends to try our system. Then we need to add a second object because we still want to show the previous gift card, the $200 one. We're gonna copy the ID of that one, go back to Framer, and then on the new object, we're gonna add that ID, then this one will be $200 gift card. You can add your description here. This is what I'm gonna use this time. And now with this information here, we can test our component. We're gonna click here on play. And there it is. Now we have a new and improved gift card selector component. As you can see, we have the 200 gift card and then the 50 gift card. So if we purchase the 51, it will have the selector of the gift card on top. And then we can go back and even choose the 201. Now you can add as many gift cards as you need of any amount that you require. Let me show you how to manage and view those. Here on the gift card dashboard, you will see the gift cards that are active for purchase. If you click on contracts, you will find the ones that has been bought or purchased already. And then if here you scroll all the way to the right and click here under usage, you click on view, you will see the times that this gift card has been used. And then we see that we have $80 the first time we purchased this CrossFit session. We have $80 the second time we purchased the CrossFit session, and then we have $40 when we attempt to purchase the CrossFit session, and then we found out that this required an additional payment, so we didn't pay. So this attempt of usage was canceled, meaning that the gift card still has $40 as value. Additionally, under payments, you will find all the payments that has been processed under the gift card component. So in this case, we have 3 different payments, 2 of them successfully and 1 of them failed. With this information, now we can say that you're a complete expert in gift cards. That's it for today, but before I let you go, let me give you a valuable side note. Every day, more and more people is choosing experiences and services as presents. After all, we are saturated with a lot of tangible things, but nobody actually tells you, here it is, go skydiving, or here it is, go get a massage. These are amazing presents, people. So, if you found this content useful, please share a like with us. Don't forget to leave any comments for any updates that you would like to see happening on Bookla or whatever you're thinking. To this friend that doesn't know how to enable gift cards, send them this video please. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bookla channel so you can stay up to date. Thanks for watching, see you next time.